replacement flosser tips, for implants, crowns, bridges, and other restorations. Clinically proven 2x as effective as string floss for implant patients, the Plaque Seeker Tip is designed to provide the benefits of pulsating water. Advanced design, these tips have 3 thin tufts of bristles to access stubborn plaque around implants, crowns, bridges, veneers, and other areas that are especially susceptible to plaque accumulation. Waterpik compatible models, compatible and recommended for use with most Waterpik water flossers including Aquarius, Complete Care, all models, Cordless Advanced, Cordless Freedom, Cordless Plus, Cordless Professional, Cordless Select, Nano, Traveler, Ultra, Water Flosser for Kids, and all Designer Series water flossers. 2 count, included within each package are 2 color-coded water flosser replacement Plaque Seeker tips. Color of tips may vary, replace every 3 months. Customer support, Waterpik's Fort Collins, Colorado support team is available to help with any product questions or needs. Top reviews from the United States. Best product ever to get under caps. This is my favorite attachment as it gets under your crowns very well. I cannot believe what it has picked up that the toothbrush has not. Highly recommended for anyone that has caps on their teeth.